Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at Bugis Junction. There's a Mofusand coffee and donuts. Cute, very cute stuff. So I'm gonna check it now. The time is 9:30 already. I was passing by this area. So in other malls they have this, but it's a very much smaller scale. I think here is the biggest Mofusand holidays. Oh, this is a very nice back of the shopping bag. Oh, what's this, man? Some kind of like sandwich toaster. And look at the donuts, man. You have the white one. Oh, they're actually quite spongy. The press, very nice. Green and red. They call it fresh and sweet. And on top there are some of the fresh and warm. I mean, the drawings, right? Wow, this is nice. A mother or father cat and a baby. The king of delicious tasty donuts. And that's not any yet. We have the big drink over there. And there's a cup here. Oh, look at that. There are some boards, right? For wave surfing. This one. Not sure it's a real board or no. Let me just... Hey, this seems to be a real deal, man. Mofusand from Surfing Club Tokyo, and look at the cat prints here. Look at this Pulse Parity at Capital Land Malls. Riding Wave Tokyo Surf Club, always medal Mofusand. Bowling, what? Beach volleyball. There's more at the outside. Look at the two oranges here. 3 of them. Actually, there are more over there. Ah, this is very cute. Wow, look at that, man. They call it a Mofusand something hour. A nice serving chair right here. And this is just outside the Bugis Junction. Whoa. That is very cute. And the pineapple or something on top. More fruits over there. They call it the Mofusand, the fruit shop. So we have oranges, banana here. Big apples here. The red one.